Hi, everybody. I've got some sunshine coming to my window, so it feels really good. So I've got a stripe right here, right here. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what becoming you after 60 really does. Here's the deal. Most of us here are 60, 65, 70, maybe 75. The point is that around one of these ages, we're going to stop working, assuming that we have been working. Most of us have. And at that point, what we need to think about is the next 2 to 3 decades ahead of us. For some of us, let's say you retire at 60, you may have as many years of retirement ahead as you had in your work. So that's a big deal. To me, that's a big deal. And our images for retirement are our mothers and our grandmothers, and we look around us, and I still see this all the time, is people thinking that at retirement, you're stopping something. Like the word retirement is from a French word, and it means to retire from the battlefield. Okay, I guess you could say that. That's what we're doing. It also means to stop work. It also means to retire and go to bed. Well, at some point you're going to have to get up again, right? So the thing is that we need to give this phase of our life its due. And we need to spend some time really figuring out who we are in this phase of our life. To me, it is this amazing opportunity because most of us are here. If we've been working, we have some kind of retirement going for us. Our family's all grown and gone. Some of us are grandparents. Some of us are married. Some of us are not. And so we're really whole, rich, experienced, wise women. And so let's do something with this. On one hand, I see us as sort of leading the way in terms of, setting an example for the generations of women that follow us. Do you know how much wealth we control? It's mind-boggling. Women over 50 control they're the most powerful economic force in the U.S., assuming that you're in the U.S. Okay, that's huge. Let's do something with this. And so the way I see it, we don't have to all go out there and start this big movement to save the world. The world changes by us being who we really are. And I feel this so deeply that if each of us really steps in to our full beingness in this life and to leave the legacy that we're here to leave, whatever that is, then we will make a difference. And so that's what becoming you after 60 is all about. So once again, I invite you to connect with me. I have workshops. I have one coming up in mid-March. I do coaching. I'm going to be starting some other women's groups kinds of things. So let's be together on this and support each other and be a community for each other. So I just wanted to share that with you. So have a wonderful, wonderful week, a wonderful day, and hope to see you soon. I love connecting with you.